Good morning, children. I am Ruchika, your English teacher. Today we will do the poem of LR. I was sitting by my window. Children, this poem is written by Linda Knoss and Ken Nesbitt. Linda Knoss is one of the finest and funniest children's poets writing today. Ken Nesbitt is an American children's poet. Nesbitt has collaborated with poet Linda Knoss on a collection of Christmas poets. Nesbitt's writing often includes imagery of outrageous happenings before ending on a realistic note. This poem is a true example of this. Children, do you have a room to yourself at home? If yes, do you keep it tidy? Do you clean it every day? If no, then you should clean your room. Otherwise, what happened to the poet? Same thing happened with you. I'm explaining this poem. Take out your books. Children, in this poem, I is the poet. Poet said that he was sitting by his window as each morning he does. A strange thing happened without giving the warning. Buckets started raining with several dustpans and a broom, and a box of sponges landed near the window with a loud, deep sound. Several mops. Children, mop is a tool for washing floors that has a long handle with a bunch of thick strings or soft material at the end. You might have seen at your home. Mops appeared from somewhere and they marched together in a particular arrangement. After this, a dozen cans of cleanser and 100 bars of soap spun in circles round his bedroom like a spiral gyroscope. Spiral gyroscope is a device consisting of a wheel that spins rapidly inside a frame and does not change position when the frame is moved. Next page. They come as pirates and pivots as they were dancing on their foot. They performed a song and dance. Then they finished with a combination wiggle, waltz and prance. Children, wiggle is a small movement from side to side or up and down. Waltz is a kind of dance. And prance means jumping or an action where you move quickly with a big step so that people will look at you. They all the things just as quickly vanished means disappeared suddenly and quickly. All the things disappeared suddenly and quickly. Turning cartwheels crossed the floor. They went bounding. Bounding means running with long steps. They went bounding out the window and they tumbled out the door. Tumbled means fall out. In the last stanza, poet said that I have no idea what happened, but this was the way to tell me that I should clean my room. Children, through this poem, you must understand that you should clean your surroundings and your room. Children, read this poem again and learn the word meanings of this poem. Later, I'll give you the question answers and write that question answers in your notebook neatly. Thank you. Have a nice day.